It's a rainy evening in the September of 2022, and I'm hiding in my room because I barely know anyone. 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, there is freshers night, और मुझे घंटा किसी से बात करना नहीं आता. I don't know how I will fulfill my dream of being that kid, a popular kid that everyone likes. Let me tell you a backstory. I grew up in a tier 2 city, and I was the usual middle class boy with bigger dreams and even bigger insecurities. In school, about in till ninth class, I was a shy kid. In ninth class, I started going to these competitions called MUNs, and it was very difficult for me. I just couldn't speak, and slowly, some seniors guided me, and I grew some social skills. And I thought, oh, this is great. I will just go to a lot of these conferences, MUNs, and gain a solid confidence. I will then be able to talk to anyone.
China has identified the cause of the
mysterious new virus.
Coronavirus.
But then COVID came. And for 2 years, I was locked in our homes. We all were, right? But then in 2022, I joined a college. It was a private liberal arts college, and it was a melting pot of confidence. Everyone knew how to talk, articulation, the words that they used. I literally had to Google them. So, how was I able to go from there to here when I can talk to literally anyone without being uncomfortable? I'm still uncomfortable, but without being worried, scared. Let me tell you a story. How I got over my social anxiety. As I watched my peers, their words flowing like expensive wine, my tongue was like a useless muscle. I basically couldn't speak any sentence without using like I used to use like 7 or 8 ums and ahs in one sentence. Imagine how bad my condition was. Not because English नहीं आती थी, but because फटती थी. And I thought everyone has figured it out. Their extremely stylish clothes, expensive watches, expensive shoes, they all screamed that I belong here. और मुझे तो भाई बहुत जम के imposter syndrome होता था तब. I used to feel that कहाँ आ गया मैं? Whenever I mustered the courage to talk to someone, my heart used to just race. My palms used to be sweaty. Then that moment came which changed everything. It was the freshers' night. The most dreaded night. I was feeling damn nervous. I just put up my best outfit and I just went there. I was in a corner near a snack table, and there was a group. Both guys and girls were there, and they were discussing about a book that I had read. पता नहीं अंदर से क्या हुआ, एक conversation चली. Go talk to them. You have read that book, go talk to them. दिमाग से बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा रोशन तुझे, बस कर ले. यहाँ पे तू अपने कमरे में बंद रहने के लिए नहीं आया है. Go and do shit which is uncomfortable to you. Just do it. Nike has not sponsored this video, but पता नहीं अंदर से ही ऐसा कुछ आया कि क्या हो जाएगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. They'll not slap me. I just went and I just said, I don't like the villain. The most basic ass thing. It wasn't that bad. Wasn't earth shattering. The earth didn't break between my legs जैसे मैं सोचता था. It was normal. And they reciprocated. Discussion चालू हुआ, थोड़ी बहुत बात हुई, और फिर मैं बस खाने पे ध्यान देने लगा. It was simple. But then I decided कि कर सकते हैं. इतनी बड़ी भी बात नहीं है, कर सकते हैं. हर दिन छोटा छोटा कदम उठाएंगे. आई टेक स्मॉल स्टेप्स. आई टॉक टू one new person a day, but I'll do it. I started reading books that will help me develop social skills. How to Win Friends and Influence People is one of the best book. It became my Bible. Literally, I read few pages and then applied them in real world. It was scary, but I had to do it. I was made for bigger things than this. I used to remind myself कि रोशन अगर अपने ही दिमाग में बंधे रहेगा तो वो ड्रीम्स तक नहीं जा पाएगा जहाँ तक तूने सोचा है. गेट आउट देयर. Slowly but surely, I began to see changes in myself. I realized my background gave me unique perspectives and it was valued. I had opinions and that added value in discussions. I began to reframe my negative thoughts. Instead of thinking, I do not belong here, I said, I have come here to learn. बिलोंग करूं या ना करूं, मैं सीखने के लिए आया हूं. इंस्टेड ऑफ थिंकिंग they'll think I'm stupid if I say this, I said, everyone starts somewhere. Let me just say what I want to. I learn. And things weren't easy. It wasn't just overnight that I became this confident, extroverted person. It took a lot of time. It took setbacks. I said stupid things where I wasn't supposed to. So, a lot of mistakes will come, but you will learn from these mistakes only. So, you'll have to get out there to all the people who are just starting out in their college journeys. Remember, everyone has a different path. Everyone is fighting their own battles. Your journey is uniquely yours. Embrace it, own it, and speak up. You have a voice and it needs to be heard. Remember, in grand scheme of things, everyone is winging it. Some people are better at hiding it, some people are not. Everyone starts somewhere. Go speak up. You will learn. Now, let me leave you with some actionable takeaways from my journey. Challenge yourself daily. Step out of your comfort zone and embrace that feeling of discomfort. अगर तुम्हें अंदर से लग रहा है कि अरे यार ये मुश्किल है, that's the feeling of growth. That's how you feel when you are growing. So grow as much as fast as you can, you have to step out of your comfort zone. Second, reframe your negative thoughts. If you're thinking that I'll not be able to do this, I'm too small to do this, see, everyone starts somewhere and you need to be your friend. You need to remind yourself that I can do this. Reframe all your negative thoughts. If you're doubting yourself, things will not look good for you. Believe in yourself. Third, seek help. Reach out to people who you think are good with people and ask them, how do you do it? They will definitely tell you something that you will feel, oh, right, that makes sense. So reach out to these people. Also seek help from some college authorities. There are many, there are counselors and all. In most cases they don't work, but you can check it out if in your college that works. And lastly, be kind to yourself. It's a journey and there will be a lot of fuck ups. There will be a lot of failures. But you need to gather yourself together and just keep pushing yourself. Keep putting in the effort. Take it one day at a time, and before you know, you will be sharing your own success story like this. If you found value in this video, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more such content. Thank you.